Elon Musk says, "What does this mean for our future products?" So we're confident that long-term we can design and manufacture a compelling 25,000 electric vehicle. No, this has always been our dream from the beginning of the company. I even wrote a blog piece about it because our first car was an expensive sports car, then it was slightly less expensive sedan, and then finally sort of I don't know, mass market premium, but the Model 3 or Model Y. But it was always our goal to try to make an affordable electric car. I think probably like I said about 3 years from now, we're confident we can make a very, very compelling $25,000 electric vehicle. That's also fully autonomous, and when you think about the $25,000 price point, you have to consider how much less expensive it is to own an electric vehicle. So actually it becomes even more affordable at that $25,000 price point. Tesla has Model 3, Model S, and roads tearing up. Is there room for possibly an even less expensive quality electric car experience? Absolutely. I think it refers to let's say ultimately getting a 25 another car. That's something we could do, but it's probably if we really work really hard. I think maybe we could do that in 3 years working with time and scale, or just it's a bit of both. Because the key to making things affordable is it's design and technology improvements as well as scale waiting for the day